Let's walk through setting up your new espresso machine. After unboxing, you'll find all these accessories included with the machine. First, remove the water tank. Take out the water stopper at the bottom of the tank. Rinse the water tank and accessories with clean water, then dry them thoroughly. Reinstall the water tank onto the machine. Fill the tank with water, above the min line, but below the max line. Place a cup under the brew head and steam wand. Plug in the machine and press the power button to start preheating. Once preheating is complete, the machine will enter standby mode. Press the double cup button. The machine will dispense hot water from the coffee spout. When it's done, it will automatically stop and return to standby. Now place a container under the steam wand. Press the steam hot water button again briefly. Steam will start. Let it run for about 20 seconds. To stop, press and hold the button for about 3 seconds. The machine returns to standby. Press and hold the steam/hot water button again for 3 seconds. The machine will now dispense hot water from the steam wand. Once finished, it will stop automatically and return to standby. Discard the water that was just dispensed. Wipe the machine's exterior with a dry cloth. Your espresso machine is now fully set up. You're ready to start brewing espresso.